We have our mobile weather lab headed to Lena right now, and another round of tornadic storms headed towards that community here in northwestern Illinois in the next 20 to 30 minutes. There is a wall of severe thunderstorm warnings capable of producing 70-mile-per-hour winds and also tornadoes crossing the Mississippi River right now. On their current heading eastbound, it would move into our western counties around 8 o'clock. The supercell storm that we were covering during the 4 and 5 o'clock newscast around Janesville right now and back here towards the west of places like Lake Geneva and Milwaukee getting ready for more tornadoes within the next hour to 90 minutes. So at 8 o'clock, our western counties, places like LaSalle, DeKalb, McHenry, large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes. 9, 10 o'clock, it moves into Chicago, and then at 11 to midnight, it moves into northwest Indiana. The main threat this evening, tornadoes, winds as high as 75 miles per hour, large hail and flooding is going to be a concern. Back with your full forecast in a few minutes.